let's go into the more detail of the outputs. As you can see in the power block, the outputs are, each output has its own input, has its own, you can get the power from any phase. So you can put the one phase in one of the outputs and next to it another phase and next to it another phase, or you can put it all in, to the same phase. But what is important to see here is that each output has its own input. So you can mix the phases for your outputs. And all the outputs are grouped in channels. Now, if you have a look here at this actuator, it has 4 channels at the top and 4 channels at the bottom. So you've got 8-volt actuator here, but for the 16-volt, you have 8 at the top and 8 at the bottom. Okay, so it's the same principle. If you have a look at the channels, one channel has 2 outputs, and the 2 outputs can be used either as a switching on-off function or as a shutter blind function. So if you use it as a switching on-off, you have to, you can connect the input, the power, and it will, there's then a C load 140 microfarad relay, which closes the contact to the load. And as I said, this load can now be any type of load, also LED lighting. And for the blind output, we have at the bottom the connection indication for a blind. As I said, each channel can be configured to be blind or output. This is just an example of how it can be done, but you can have all blinds, all switching on-off, or have them the mix as you wish. That can be selected in the ETS application program what the channel should be. So should it be a switching on-off? Should it be a blind with slats, or just a shutter to move it up and down? Now we will have now a look at the functions inside of the product.